Pi Network may be entering an important new phase, and pioneers around the world are watching closely. Welcome back to Pi News World, your destination for Pi Network news, updates, and analysis. As the ecosystem continues to develop, several important elements could become increasingly relevant to the next stage of Pi Network. These include market capitalization, circulating supply, liquidity, reserves, wallet infrastructure, trading activity, ecosystem utility, and market history. Market capitalization is important because it reflects the relationship between an asset's price and its circulating supply. This means that when we discuss Pi's potential future value, we cannot focus on price alone. We also need to understand how much Pi is actually circulating and how supply could interact with demand. Liquidity is another major piece of the puzzle. A functioning market needs enough buyers and sellers to support transactions efficiently. As Pi's ecosystem grows, liquidity, trading infrastructure, and real-world utility could become increasingly important. We should also pay attention to wallet activity and ecosystem infrastructure. However, pioneers must be careful with claims about specific issuing wallets, reserves, or hidden market preparations. Not everything shared on social media is official, so always verify important information through reliable sources. Another major topic is GCV, especially the widely discussed figure of $314,159. This represents a community-driven valuation concept and should not be presented as an officially guaranteed Pi Network market price unless Pi Network itself confirms it. The bigger story, however, is not only about price. It is about utility. What can people actually do with Pi? Can businesses use it? Can developers build useful applications? Can users make real transactions? These questions could ultimately be more important than any number appearing on a chart. Mainnet is therefore more than simply a launch. It represents the possibility of a broader ecosystem where users, developers, businesses, applications, and digital transactions can work together. If these elements continue developing, the next phase could bring a completely different level of attention to Pi Network. And this is where the real opportunity could be. A strong ecosystem is built when technology meets real-world demand. The more useful applications become available, the more reasons people may have to interact with Pi. This is why utility, adoption, and accessibility are areas every pioneer should continue watching. Another important factor is community participation. Pi Network has always depended heavily on its global community, and the behavior of pioneers can influence how quickly an ecosystem grows. Developers need users, businesses need customers, and users need useful services. When these groups support one another, network activity can become stronger and more sustainable. At the same time, patience and responsibility remain important. The crypto market can change quickly, and expectations can sometimes move faster than actual developments. The smartest approach is to stay informed, verify information, and understand the difference between confirmed updates and community speculation. So, pioneers, stay informed, protect your wallet, never share your passphrase, and do not make financial decisions based only on rumors, viral screenshots, or unrealistic promises. Remember that preparation is not only about waiting for a price, it is also about understanding the ecosystem and being ready to use it responsibly. The pieces are coming together, but the final picture is still being written. The next chapter of Pi Network could be significant, and Pi News World will continue following the developments closely. We will keep watching the technology, the ecosystem, the market discussions, and the signals that could help pioneers understand where this journey may be heading. Subscribe to Pi News World, turn on notifications, and stay with us as we follow the journey of Pi Network into its next phase. The future is still unfolding. Stay focused, stay informed, and stay ready.